color and different design of laces according to your requirement. You can get it from any stores. Now cut the lace according to your neck size. As you can see in the screen, it is of my neck size. Get these hooks, and these hooks are easily available in the market. Now fix the hook in one side of the lace as you can see how I am doing in the screen. The finally choker is ready, and it is looking very nice, and it is very easy and simple to make it, and I think we don't have to spend so much for making a choker. Can see in the screen I have made a different color choker with a different design, and in further videos I will show you how you can carry out with your different outfit.